Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild Color Con Glitter Single. So this is just a small little single of glitter. It says not for use around eyes or lips. So just letting you know that I use this on my eyes, but okay. So I have it in the shade called Spiked, which is a silver. And I really like using this. I like using it mainly when I'm like gonna be going out is probably my favorite time to use this. Like at night to go dancing because I like a lot of glitter, I like a lot of shimmer, I like just kind of looking above and beyond when I'm going out dancing. So that is my favorite way to use this. It is super pigmented and it really stays where you put it. It goes on really silky and it's very blendable as well, which is really nice. So I have to say, when I first opened this product to use it, it was completely different than what I assumed it was. It doesn't say eyeshadow, but I kind of assumed that it was going to be an eyeshadow and it was going to be like that powdery texture, and it's really not. It really is just glitter. So I'll go ahead and show you. It's glitter. It's kind of sticky. That's how it stays. And the best way to apply this is going to be with your fingers. So that is going to be like definitely, you can blend it so it is blendable. But yeah, the best way to apply it is going to be with your fingers, and it's going to be everywhere. So if you're going to use this, just know that you're going to have to I would definitely use it like in the bathroom or something where you can wash your hands right away without touching anything else, because otherwise you're going to get glitter everywhere. It's a snap thing. So yeah, I have glitter everywhere. It's like stuck on my hands now. And it's going to be stuck on my hands here. But it's super pigmented. It's buildable as well, so you can start out with just a little bit of glitter and just add more layers and add more layers until you get it to the way that you want it. It doesn't come like this. It comes in a package. It comes packaged with like cardboard, and then this is like, it has got like a plastic around it that attaches it to the cardboard. So, and it also comes in a few different shades. You can get like in a gold, or you can get like pink. It comes in a lot of different shades, which is really nice. I personally love silver, so I went for the silver. But yeah, this is also going to be really good for like Halloween too. So you can use it for like costumes, for like face makeup to go with your costume. It's going to work really well for that. Even like different things like Mardi Gras or just going to parties or things like that. I would not use this for the office, or like depending on like where you work, I wouldn't use it to like go to work because it is kind of like really bold. It can be really bold. But yeah, but you can use this almost like anywhere on your face and it's gonna work. It says don't use around your eyes or lips. I do typically use it as an eyeshadow, or like to enhance my eyeshadow and make it glitterier. I don't know if that's a word, but make it more glittery. You just have to be careful because it is going to be really easy to get it into your eyes. So if you are going to do that, just be really careful. I've not tried using it with a brush. You may be able to use it with a brush. I'm not sure. It may be more difficult though because it's not loose. It's very sticky. So I've found the best way to use it is with my fingers. Just make sure that you wash your hands beforehand, so that way like when you put your hands in there, it's not like getting bacteria from like dirty hands or whatever. It doesn't start to grow in it, especially if you are going to use it on your eyes, things like that. So just another thing to be aware of. I don't know if this comes in a palette. It would be really nice if it came in like a palette to where you could get more than one color at once, or like in one thing. I haven't seen it in that, but I wish that is something that the company would create, is something with a palette. and also better instructions on how to use it. Like I said, I use it with my fingers because I find that easiest, but I don't know if that's actually how it's supposed to be used. You know what might work really well is those like felt tip eyeshadow applicators. It's not really a brush, but it's got like a felt tip. Those would probably work really well because it's pretty sturdy and you could easily like really rub it in there. So if you don't want to use your fingers, that would probably be a good option, and I think you can get like disposable applicators like that from like any makeup store or like Amazon or anything like that. That's actually a really good idea, and I literally just thought about that right this second. So I think I'm gonna go out and like get some of those or order some and try that for myself, because I think that that might actually be even better than using your fingers, because as you can see, it like just gets really stuck on your fingers. So yeah, so that might actually be the best way to use it. So yeah. But overall, I really do like this product, and I think it's great for going out. I always get lots of compliments when I use it as eyeshadow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.